Alright, today we're going to replace the keyboard of this HP Elitebook 840. So first we're going to take out these screws, screw this part. Don't forget these ones here. So we're gonna use this spudger. Lift this up. We are going to unplug the battery. The battery is right here. You can use this spudger to push it out. There you go. Now we have to take two screws that is holding the keyboard in place. That is this one and this other one. Take them out. Okay, now we're going to flip this over. So we're going to use this spudger again to slide it in here and then push it towards me a little bit. There you go. Push the locks are in here. That is holding the keyboard. There you go. Now slowly turn this around. So we have three cables. This is the keyboard, this is the back lid, and this one probably is the pointer. The pointer right here. So I'm gonna lift this up. Like this guy. Lift it up. Alright, so this is the new keyboard right here. Alright, so we're gonna use the same cable, same ribbon cable from this one for the pointer. I'm gonna switch it over here. Slide it in and then lock it. Alright, good. Take this guy out. Alright. This out. Slide it in, push it down to lock it. straight. Just gotta make sure that's straight. Let me push this a little bit. Trying to do it with my left hand so I won't cover the camera. Slide it in, push it down, and now this over here. Alright, I'm gonna flip it over, slide it in, push it down. Alright, before I put it back together, I'm going to test it, make sure it turns on and the keyboard's working. I'm gonna leave the battery and plug, just using the power cord. We get a warning for the battery, that's okay, just hit enter. Alright, so the machine is up. You can see the space bar is working. Okay, good. It's time to shut this machine down and put it back together. Alright, it's completely shut down now. So first I'm going to put the screws back before I plug the battery in. That way there's still no electricity going across the laptop. Alright. The battery. everything is just snapped back in place. No gaps. Alright. Make sure it turns back on. There you go. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.